Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bestway 18 by 9 foot by 48 inch pool set with pump and maintenance kit. With the Bestway Power Steel Swim Vista, you have everything you need for an above-ground pool in your backyard. The pool itself is designed so that you don't have to use any tools to set it up, keeping the process as simple as possible. The Bestway Swimming Pool Cleaning Kit is a great addition to any above-ground pool or pool maintenance set. The kit comes with adapter to connect the vacuum to any Bestway pools and filter systems and works best with a filter pumps with a 530 gallons/hour flow rate. Product benefits: easy assembly with no tools required. Includes filter, ground cloth, cover, ladder, and chemconnect dispenser. Includes anti-microbial filter cartridges for cleaner water. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.